Hi guys, welcome back to InfosecTrain. My name is Divyani and today we have Mr. Nawaz with us. He's a data science expert and a trainer at InfosecTrain. Hi Nawaz, how are you doing?
Hi Devani, I'm doing pretty good.
Data is very important these days, and in order to fetch relevant data, we use a process called cluster analysis. So let's learn more about this topic with Nawaz. So Nawaz, what is cluster analysis?
Apparently, cluster analysis is a statistical method used to group similar objects into respective categories. It can also be referred to as a segmentation analysis or taxonomy analysis, or we can just clustering. That's it.
Okay. And what are the pros and cons of cluster analysis?
Basically, we can say that the pros of the cluster analysis are it is very simple, and its approach is very simple, and it is very efficient, and it's less complex. And we can say that in the cluster analysis we have the hierarchical clustering. So in that we can just use the data visualization to just group the data. So these are the pros. So let's talk about the cons of the cluster analysis. So basically it requires a number of clusters in advance, and we can say that it is having some problems with with categorical variables. Likewise, we have some cons. That's it.
Okay. And can you mention some examples of cluster analysis?
Basically, as we know, the goal of the cluster analysis is to split the data or just group the data. So if we take the one example of retail marketing, so basically retail companies often use clustering to identify groups of household that are similar to each other. Like, for example, a retail company may collect the following information on household, like household income, household size, head of household occupation, and we can say that distance from nearest urban area. So they can then feed these variables into clustering algorithms to perhaps identify the following clusters. Like one cluster is like small family and higher spenders, then another cluster is nothing but the larger family and high spenders. The another one cluster is small family and low spenders. Likewise, we can just group the data.
Okay, thank you for your time, Nawaz. So, if you want to know more about cluster analysis, you can check out our courses at www.infosectrain.com. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe.